Yes, guys, I done this one. Look, proper take piece of this. So guys, we share with some food and I eat so we share it out to tell me if it look good, look on it if it look good. Yes guys, so my Sunday dinner I go cook same. I cook my Sunday dinner, yeah. River stream Sunday dinner this. So set on the piece. It's a round red peas guys. And put 3 pieces of garlic in it, 1 piece of ginger. So you know say I make that one bubble down. Yes guys, so when them are done cook, put in the coconut cause I'm going to the coconut already my sauce oil that. And throw in the rice and you see everything. So I'm gonna cook fried chicken with it, so you see it. You fry them and cook them down. So stay tuned guys. Whole heap of things are going and my juice in a hear about that yet. So stay tuned to hear about that. Yes guys, see peas are them are come. Fire going wicked, 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 wicked. Yes, guys. The peas are coming myself, it's still what is that yeah, look. See it? Look. Myself, it's make that one cook. Anything put look more water on it, you know guys. So stay tuned guys. So the red rice. Oh. Yes, YouTube. Come to check what the pot again. No, check it. Look on it. See there? These are my silver one come. I get soft, you see it? But they're not done yet guys, so I make them go and steam a more. And while the way the night I come down. Yeah. Night I come, so I have to go make care. Yes guys, so see what the pot can. So you know, so when them are done now, throw in the coconut make it safe. So stay tuned guys. And remember to like, share and subscribe, yeah? Yes guys, Go throw in the coconut now, see that? You know, so squeeze it out like this, look at it. Squeeze out the milk then. Is it? Yes, guys. So strain it off like this. Strainer. Strainer. So look on it now. I mean, you taste them look over now, guys, and it's soft, so I'm going to throw in the coconut, you know? And then I season up the pot and then the rice. Yes, guys, so stay tuned for that, guys. Yes, guys, I'm going to throw in the coconut now. Watch your vibes. Yes, guys, and look at thing again, man. Show you. You can put look at it at this thing, like, not nothing. Just look at it. You can give the rice a nicer taste. So that good. Yes, guys. So next time you see this, you see the rice, you know, you season it up. You see it. So remember to please like, share and subscribe, guys. The channel up on the rise. Yes, guys, and we're throwing the season and what a run. What a wrong word, guys. Okay. Throw the season and show what I'm going to use. We use the good mix up season. Put the chili pepper, one real green pepper, scallion and thyme, and pea-sized butter. So we put in now. Yes, guys, I'm going to first them up like this. And this is at the tea. We did wash them off already, guys, so you don't have to worry about that. We'll just throw in the pepper. Throw in the thyme. Put it this one. No. You can mix up tonight. And pull the mix up season, guys, now come. Yeah. Let's start look with it. Look like that. That's alright. I'm going to put in the butter. I'm going to put some water on it now, guys. About when I cook enough rice, so I put corn now. I look a bit over corn now. So the butter. put in the butter and now put in that. Put on a little bit more water from this cup of water or 1 cup. And then we just put in the rice and make it see guys. So stay tuned guys. Rice and peas so done. And then night may I done guys. So after this thanks. Most people can't cook in a Sunday. And me done cooking at night now to give thanks. And enough people now have nothing to cook. So anytime I'm done guys. So River Stream TV, remember to like, share and subscribe. Respect, love. Yes guys, it look like it just done now. Look, we put a bag over it and me ice up the fire. So look, me put look water on the top too. The reason why I put it on the top, I don't want the whole of the water dry out of the rice. So just put look up on the top. Yes guys, this is how it look on it. Oh, smell it guys, it's very nice, you see? Yeah man. You know so done, this done now, refer to meat them guys and cook them down. And stay tuned guys. Yes guys, see meat 2 pound of chicken. So I cut them up and season them up. Season them up. This just come out of the fridge, so you see it looks so. Scallion, thyme, ginger, garlic, onion, pepper, tomato, mix up season, and some chili pepper. Anything we would have put little Caesar sauce in it, then I'm not going to. So guys, stay tuned to this. When you see me I cut up them on it. See how the thing go guys. Yes guys, I done season up the meat. So you know, say them I go on fire, you know. So check it out guys. And look how I take out the pot off of the fire. Burn man, you see? Look. This guy burn man. So we see when this stuff on fire guys. Yes guys, so we take all the seasoning off it. And we throw in the one to fry. So we're gonna fry it on. Then they're going to fire, right? I'm going to spin them over and make it sweet, right? So, yes, guys, I'm turning it on. Turn. Yes, guys, so done frying on. Done. You know what I say? Cook it down now, you see it? Watch it process. Watch it process. Cook down now, guys. Some ketchup on it. Just make the gravy. Alright. Leave that now, guys. And come back when I come back and see it. Hopefully. So you know, say a trouble. Yes, guys, I done it now. Look on it. Look. Proper. Take a piece of this. So guys, I share with some food and I eat, so I share it out to tell me if it look good, look on it if it look good. Yes guys, so this is how it look on it. Look nice. Come here, no comment and tell me if things them look nice, you know guys. Nice, you know, comment, you know. So if you tell me guys, is it? Yeah, so done this. You know, so I gotta eat my food now, so I juice, yeah. Bigger guys, so no bother make me sorry, just save it for next year. So I'm going at this now. Nice man, guys. Nice and please taste like you can eat it alone. Sweet guys, I want some of it. I see the coconut trust I'm chewing it, make it taste nice. But you can try it too, you know guys. You want to try to chew some coconut trust, you know, you have rice and pigs and you see. Yes guys, so I eat that, you know, never eat my food. No, I'm not on a tripod, we make it stand up and make you see me I eat, so. Until next time, guys, the next video will come in soon. So big up on yourself, guys. Enough respect, enough love. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Big respect.